Spring 2012 Rockstar Gear pant jersey glove features jersey, multi-paneled with a contoured collar, fits snug, non-restrictive, keeping that dirt out. Lycra micro cuffs hold sleeves in place. Highlights include full yet tailored cut with a nice extra long tail and flat seam stitching, keep that jersey tucked in. 2012 Spring Rockstar pant, ergonomically structured knees, of course offering room for the knee braces, with genuine leather inner knee panels to resist burning, buckles and weight adjusters for that custom secure fit. Rockstar glove, the new stretch fabric, features a sublimated graphic, palm, thumb, and thumb reinforcement to extend glove life. Features non-slip printed palm. Available in a black colorway as seen in the video, as well as a vented colorway in yellow.